I was asked to read the news. Early this morning, late last night, yesterday afternoon. Welcome back to Tough Time Today, where the stocks are low and the jokes are high. I'm your host, Transporter, the best business anchor that still owes his barber $500. In business news, a goat from St. Mary has officially become the largest shareholder in a small credit union. Reports say that the goat has headbutt the CEO of the company and walk away with 49% of the company and 2 pence. Expert says the goat's strategy is simple: invest in grassroots business. Meanwhile, Jamaica had reached a point where patty costs more than a hairstyle. People are now trading corned beef tin like Bitcoin. A man even tried to trade a tin of Grace mackerel for a Toyota Pro Box. But the dealer said, "Bossy, if it was only Grace Butterbean." Jamaica saw unusual activity in the stock exchange today. Pardon me. Yes, water nice. Rumors spread that water went public. Trading went wild. A farmer even sell his entire chicken farm just to buy stocks, only to find out it was April 1st. Tom Fool Day. He's on the phone right now, talking to the rooster, begging him to come back home. Well, you know, so the rooster is on a grill right now. Yes, in entrepreneurial news, a YouTube channel goes by the name of Transporta Ja Vybz has declared a national treasure to 3 drunk uncle and 1 church sister. With content so funny, makes you cough, and creativity so sharper than a sharp pencil. Transporta Ja Vybz is where you go to seek business advice from a madman, and I know you like it. He's the only one doing content so smart. His content them should be paying tax. In closing, if you can't afford stocks, invest in laughter. If that doesn't work, marry someone who work at KFC. That's called financial security. I am Transporter, and tune in next time where we investigate a man try to pay his light bill with TikTok views.